Alright, quick unboxing vid. Got a package from DLT Trading. Got my trusty pocket slip. Victorinox Duo from Work Tribe. Titanium scales. Acid washed. Got their little pry bar too. Guys in Germany made my slip. Anyway, this model is the Duo, discontinued, but he made the custom job for me. And getting some sacks. Should be a couple of sacks from DLT I've ordered from these guys. You can trust them and all that good stuff. Voila. 2 of the magic silver boxes. These are cadets, a green one and a blue one. Alox. Beauty. Have a blue one. Don't have any green alox though, so we'll see how this one goes. Ooh, dark green. This model's great. Super slim, right? DLT Trading. Nail file. Fingernail cleaner. Nice strong little blade. Great little EDC backup knife. 2-layer. Saw a video where guy used this one for as a corkscrew. Pulled wine out of there. Anyway, just a quick hit. Have a good one. Later.